So I decided to call Jamaica. And up to today right now, I mean, Alkaline is the biggest thing right now with Jamaica after Move Out and Cartel.
When I heard
A few moments later,
Alkaline is going to be on the show, I said, perfect. I said, your phones, Alkaline right now, he has the most hits now after Cartel, or right now he's like he's the man in most demand right now out of Jamaica.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I don't know. I mean, the little artists them try them thing, but you don't know levels. You have levels to this thing. Yeah. So I say, keep the kind of league over this, so a big league right there. So.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People are go on, big up on yourself, big up everybody who support Media Fox, you see me? Big up the Vendetta people and big up all fan base, you see me? You know the things that I want Media Fox down. Yeah man, so bag of thing I go on people. I don't know what I go on in but yo, Alkaline is high in demand right now. You see what I try to tell you? Yo, the man full of show. I see man I go perform down a French Guyana. People but listen what I go on. We go back down in our history because you don't know say Alkaline have a show in a Barbie. It does. Tipsy. But this is a video. This video was like 10 years ago in a Barbados. I want to listen what I go on.
When I heard the music from Alkaline, I said this is next Cartel. Since early June, May, I was listening to his music. So I said that this guy here is so big that the music gonna get big in a couple of months. So I decided to call Jamaica. And up to today right now, I mean, Alkaline is the biggest thing right now with Jamaica after Move Out and Cartel. But
yo, boy, people, I tell you already, you know. And them, that's Alkaline say, yo, them not see nothing yet. You see it? Them not see nothing yet. You see me? Because this is the thing, you know. You see the impact with the youth forward with, I don't know, normal people. Alkaline. So this is a promoter we attack in a Barbados like about 10 years ago. You understand? I tell you what I go on and look 10 years after now, look on the youth. The youth full of shows. Alkaline a headline, how much is show right now. May I tell you, this are 10 years after any people. Man have one of the biggest girl song right now in a dancehall. I tell you, say, yo, that song here, I mash up the globe. May I tell you, girl good. You understand? But what else what them I say?
I heard Alkaline is going to be on the show. I said, perfect. I said, Jack, there's a very good move because he has a lot of hits out there, mashing up the nightclubs, mashing up the streets and stuff. A lot of people has his music on their phones. Alkaline right now, he has the most hits now after Cartel, or right now it's like a tie if you ask me between him and Cartel for the songs out there. But he's the man in the most demand right now out of Jamaica.
That means
imagine people, this was 10 years ago, and the man said the man is the most in demand, he's the highest in demand right now. This was 10 years ago, you know, in a Barbados, you know. And the man in a Barbados 10 years after people in demand when yo the man have a lot of shows, but me I go show one of the shows them in the rest of the video. For sure. Imagine 10 years ago where the money I say it happened 10 years after. The youth has some impact in a dancehall, but the youth say, yo, them not see nothing yet. At that, you know, them not see nothing yet. You see it?
pleasure being here in Barbados. That's what I say for the first time. Going them Barbados, what go on? But there I know. Watch out. Them chat about things 1,000 shh. Them say you do some of the verses things. Them say what you not take out what you don't see. And bad mind kill the classes, that's so we tell them.
They must say this, they must say that, they must say this. That may I try to show you. Impact we are set around here. You see it? Yeah man, and yo, may I tell you that youth are great. And him young same way. May I tell you that, so imagine when he reach certain age, I know nothing normal. The youth have him fan base. So them say second biggest fan base in the dancehall. Yeah man. But me not lie, when it comes to him music, him fan support at #1. So I just one of them things people. And when it comes to Alkaline, you hear people always talk about hits. When Alkaline drop a hit song and it hit, is a song we're gonna play for the next 10 years, 20 years. It's not like some artists where just have drop a bag of song and them talk about hits and it just not last. You understand? No, a different league over here, so you see me?
Them a say this, them a say that, them a say this. The amount of jacket to me hear them say again. Them chat one whole heap of shaggy. Them insecure, they even worth it.
Alright now people, we have tips here, so remember you know people. This a July, you know, all white party, you know. Yeah man. July what? The 19th. Is what me I try to say. So look out for Alkaline. You see me? Youth well book out, man. Well book out, me I tell the people. Not normal. The youth well book out. Remember me tell you that. You see me? So Barbados are wait for the challenge. Yeah man. So people, French Guyana. This is a new bookings, people. New bookings. This are before the Trinidad show. This are after Dream Weekend. You understand? Coming by now, July the 26th, you might go there Antigua. See? And then now, I think maybe like the 31st or so, around them time there. You don't know Dream Weekend. And then after that show, yeah, it's August the 15th. French Guyana people, how them saying in the stadium. Yeah, man, to go loud, man. Jam reggae one day. You understand? So, the youth, yo, a be headline show. May I tell you that? The youth high in demand right now. Imagine, yo. The youth high in demand right now. You see that girl good song there? You see the la 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 impact? It not normal, people. Remember, me tell you that. You see me? So that show ya recently add on. Manuel book out to bombard, me I tell you. And when I talk about no, that's why you see when you reach on a level, you go headline every show. You understand? Headline every show. It just has a bag of show forward. You understand? So big up the team, big up Alkaline same way. You see me? Yeah man. The music there, the impact, everything there. You see me? So right now the highest demand of youth this, me I tell you. I tell you. Man high in demand there now. Without no, what I call it? Without no advantage. You see me? No hold on nothing. You see me? Just in music I create impact every day. You see it. And the promoter them see it and say, yo, that youth, yeah, them see it. That's why them book him. You understand? No matter where the world, Jamaica might be a talks around different way, you know, but the world is a different place. You understand? And imagine the youth with them say fall off from 2016 people. 2016 them say how much year them not get a in song. But him a headline so much show. This now make no sense. How the man where them say Ray, how much hits in a dancehall, and him not get so much show. Him not headline a bagger show. You understand? Me not understand these people. Promoter all want book them. You see it? Yeah man. That me I tell you. You see it? So I just one of them things. So look at now people. This way you say Afrofest. The man I got headline Afrofest in people. Me I tell you say look at now. This is a African Afrobeat thing, you know. Me I tell you people. Imagine Alkaline a headline Afrofest with two of the biggest Afrobeat artists them. Wizkid and Davido. You understand? Wizkid and Davido. The youth are headline with right now people. Me not understand this. And them say our next man come move with Afrobeats. Me not understand that. Alkaline a headline. This is a Afrofest, you know, people. African thing, you know. Now Alkaline dead, you know. What that tell you say? The youth are high in demand right now. Superstar level, like impact. At that me I tell you, no joke thing. You see it. The youth are do it for dancehall, cause him more other dancehall artists did it. But for say yo, him a headline it. And nothing normal. You see me? Yeah man, Afrofest. You see it, I think this is September. My profile for September the 5th. Seeing because I think Davido are the 4th, Alkaline the 5th, and then Wizkid the 6th. You understand? So look out for that people. You know go normal. African them look out same way, you see it? Yeah man, a mad thing man. You see me? But people, so look here now. So them say don't a Guyana will go on with there, Botheration. Them say are the biggest show ever in a Guyana. And them say 22,719 tickets sold down a Guyana Botheration. The man them say the biggest show. You understand? Ever in a Guyana. We see the impact, everything. You see it? Remember that, people. They might tell you the exact amount of ticket we sell. 22,719 ticket. You understand? Yeah, man. So Alkaline. The same artist what them say. Fall off. End up for headline the biggest show in a Guyana. Him a pull the crowd. And for sure you say him a pull the crowd. The people them staying at the rain and wait upon him. You understand? The man mash up. Yo, remember me tell you, yo, if you go up on IG and type it, if you go up on TikTok and type in and you go type in Guyana right now, you see a lot of people post video and I say, yo, it was a night to remember. Guyanese them now go forget the night there. Are the biggest show in a Guyana. Based on the turnout. Yeah, man. 22,000. Big up the Vendetta boss. The youth create impact around here. Me tell you that. You understand? Biggest show we ever keep in a Guyana. So no matter which show they keep before or what. Basically, especially the Botheration, this are the biggest turnout for Botheration. You understand? Yeah, man. Make them know that. So look at now, people. Yo, you see that song we name 123? The song Remark It. Yo, the man them not play the whole song, you know. The man them just play la party, you know, people. For sure, yeah, you know. For a song we dropped 13 years ago. And it a create such an impact. May I tell you, people, I know nothing now, but not go hear what go on. Yeah, man, so look where boss I go mixing it la right now. And the girl them yo, may I tell you, people, the girl them go crash out. Here what go on. Yo, dog, I tell you, yo, you see, let me tell you this, man, people. We no love, man. And music we love. See, you see more why we see something in the internet. Some of them people there, especially the man them, and man them love. You understand? Music alone can carry on the dancehall culture. Not some bag of chatting, or not some delusional messages. You understand? And music. We not talk about hype and internet controversy and all of them things there. Them they can't do nothing for the genre, bro. And music do this. Music. When you see a music, once a little moment they die down with the controversy, it dead there. So it have to do with music. Dancehall is music. You understand? Back in the days, we usually go party, go listen to music. We listen to music through the radio. This bag of fabricated talk, all of them little things, them they can't do nothing. You understand? Them they just say a moment. Music will live on. Why you think artists get booked? Because of the music. You think because of them personal life or whether them buy or buy this or buy that. And that can't move no culture. Remember me tell you that. You understand? And music we are deal with. You see it? Have a girl in a party a ball out, la. Impact that. You see me? Everywhere. Man, him cannot spin in. You see it? And drop in a DJ, them spin the record and drop in the party. And what you mean? A music would there for. You see me? Because if the artist never did do music, but I just see him as one little person who just step on the corner going, you will be nobody without music. So the music we are dealing with. You understand? Yeah, man. So it alone can move on the genre or carry it to a certain level. If there is no music, we're going to move dancehall. You understand? Shows is just for a minute. You see me? But the impact of the music that you are going to carry, and music I carry on the show, you know. Seem like how Alkaline have girl good and la where people them are wait for in Trinidad and Barbados. Yeah, promoter go see the impact and say, alright, you go book Alkaline, you know. Yeah, man, do this. Them not book Alka because him a buy this or buy that or ray. Or no internet controversy. I'm music. I like the people them want to hear. You see me? Yeah, man. You see? So look at now, people. Trinidad. You mother cunt. You understand? Don't at Trinidad, you know. Where them say summer stage Alkaline I got there. I think we see them other than TJ. See? Alkaline I got shit yo Trinidad and them a wait. I tell the people them a wait. You understand? Una go see what going on at Trinidad. Me I tell them on August 22nd. It nah go normal, people. Remember me tell her that it nah go normal. You see me? So una have to go look out for that one there. Alka ready. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, the last time boss take private jet and go down, so a problem. Body in them feelings, but that's how it go. You see me? I work where I put in same way. You see me? Them can't stop that youth here. Remember you telling you know. See? Remember say you tell say yo pick on the side. Pick on the side. Because look here now, you see when that moment they forward, what uno only just go see that youth just mash up the place and represent dancehall. And I go say yo, Jano, Ray. A bag of chatting now go work in a music speak for yourself, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. So people, this is the show you at Antigua, July the 26th. You understand? What them say? La player. You see it, so boy, I don't know any dog. I'll have to go easy right now upon them show thing any dog. Bro, what you make like, yo, Alka? Oh man, him say fall off bread and you get so much bookings, dog. Me don't understand. Oh, you get so much bookings and them say you nah get no hit. The man them say you have a one hit song. So one hit song I make you get so much show. And the man them say they have a 3 hit song and them nah get the show you get. Me don't understand that. You people? You tell me say one man have one hit song where they say after so many years and the man are getting bookings them. Eh? I always tell people, you know, I prefer be a fall off artist and I get a bag of shows, big shows, than to be an artist where I be consistent and now I get a bag of show. It nah make no sense, people. If somebody I get so many hit songs, not them fear get more bookings because of more song, more bookings. So how the artist will have the one hit song what them say in a 2026 and him a get the bookings them over the artists where I get so much hit songs. This now work out, something not right. You understand? And when you check it, Alkaline at the stadium and him in the arena. You understand? So what really are going? When have to talk to me about that, you know. Yeah, man. So Alkaline demand is very high. And this is like after 13 years. After 13 years. And the youth there in my fight. When Alkaline a fine hit and a normal hit, you know. Girl good. Are the girl them anthem. We may talk about girl them anthem. Every time the girl them post a picture. Every time the girl them they want party. That song ya. Them if them dead in the party lame. Just drop that song ya, girl good. Them wake up. Them ready. You understand? Yeah, man. So, you don't know what things said. I just one media facts, me I tell you. People, big up on yourself when you don't know what things said, you know. Yeah, man, I one media facts on your app. That is it.